Step 1. Using the hexagonal wrench and tight all screws. Caution: do not use electric drill. Step 2. Thoroughly clean the remain resin using alcohol. Step 3. Please prepare FEP film. Remove the coating on both sides before using the film. Step 4. Put the new film on and press the frame. Step 5. Tighten all screws. Tip: start the tightening from the corner part. Pull back the film while tightening the screws for better smoothness and tension of the film. Step 6. Check the proper fastening of all screws. Remove the remaining film using cutter knife.